Hi, my name is George Reising. I'm a distance math teacher in the Kenai Peninsula Borough School District, and what I've been focusing on here actually relates to what I submitted over here, rebuilding a lesson plan for a specific unit on data analysis. Using the TIM and the SAMR approach, I kind of went through and said, all right, what am I going to do moving forward to infuse technology and the skill steps in this unit where they've already been working with functions for a long time, and now I want them to work on real data in a very open-ended project. So a very personalized learning experience. So I'm still building this, and this is going to be part of a course next year. But I'm using a module level approach, again, kind of keeping it chunked, a nice succinct point. I've got a stronger intro video, which is a Canvas Studio quiz. So they're forced to, it's essential, right? They have to see the essential question. That's kind of the big idea. And again, they need to pass that before they can move on. That was the other idea. I'm also making sure that there's room for feedback and comments in this section. So that's one big part of it. The next part was I realized in trying to work with students on using spreadsheets and getting data, it's really challenging. So I'm going to really try to break it down step by step, and having them contribute to a gathering data project. So basically they have to start asking a question, and by making it a discussion, they're going to get a level of instruction, and then they're going to get to practice and share with other students how they were able to gather data or what kind of topic they're working on to help build that sense of community. And then that collaboration part too. Oh, you were thinking of this, maybe I can do that. I think that's a really good approach. And also, again, integrating the technology. It's a lot harder to do on pieces of paper. And here we've got students that are asynchronous all over our district doing it. So moving down, then they're going to have an assignment where I'm going to create an instructional video set of resources. It's going to be a video on how to use Google Sheets and how to gather data. Sorry, I've already gathered the data, manipulate the data, and then I will have them go through a series where they'll have to submit a data set that I've already collected for them, and they just have to put it in order and do some other things to it. Again, trying to chunk this. Finally, I'm going to use a quiz. Now, these are the new quizzes, but I'll build a quiz here that, again, I'll provide the data set for them, then they'll have to generate information and models from it. So it's all the steps leading to this bigger project, which I think is kind of the end goal of the why, and the reason and the value of doing this kind of work, which is a performance assessment. And again, they get multiple submissions. I will meet with them one-on-one through Zoom and actually go through their project and have them explain it. What I might change, though, is turn this submission into a discussion. And again, trying to go back and make that collaborative community approach. I see a lot of value in that. I went through my course evaluation checklist. It looks pretty good as far as, I can text headers and whatnot. I don't know. I'm just trying to keep it simpler because these units can get out of hand pretty quick. I think that's all I've got to say. It's under 5 minutes.